slapped Legos on the table.
The evil inchworm.
He is an inchworm. He's gonna body slam me.
Uh-oh, I gotta get up.
The evil inchworm is stuck. It's time for me to finish him. Tickle his head.
Doesn't seem to be ticklish yet.
Really cards.
Thank you.
He's like, just let me chew on my doll.
I like my doll.
Yeah.
Thank you. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh.
He plays with that doll all the time.
Really?
Ruh-roh.
My brother.
That's one of the ones that Mimi came out of, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
My brother carried around a doll. So he
Oh,
was
I
my-
had that.
Really?
I know, but sometimes you can.
Bailey, he's trying to get you.
He is. Oh, he's entertained.
Well, there's never a dull moment.
No.
It's on season 1.
Season
I
1?
mean season 2.
Yeah, that's what.
Thank you.
Season 2 is the last episode.
That one?
Mhm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Go on, inchworm. Where you going?
Bonnie Sam.
Watch out. I want to watch you crawl. Listen to him.
What you got in your mouth?
What you do? Oh, I'm gonna touch your doll. Now I'm gonna run away.
Well, thank you.
You guys let me get it? The inchworm is coming.
Inchworm.
Did you
No.
say thank you?
My doll. Bailey, you mean the doll. He worked all that way to get
I
that.
know. No, he's so confused. It's like, where did it go? Wait a minute. I see other things.
Go play on sister's car. Get out of the sight.
He's like going there.
There's a whole bucket full of those things. I don't need that. Your pity.
He's like, you can't get it.
Holden, you got to cover your mouth, buddy.
You're doing so good with your toys. You're building a car?
He usually builds he builds all types of stuff. This is fun to watch Philip.
Is this your show?
Can he crawl up on it?
We can watch it later too. No, I don't think he'll.
Oh, look at him.
He'll pull himself up somewhere. What?
Found it.
What'd you find?
This.
No, you lost it again. It's right here.
Oh, where's the green one?
What do you mean green one?
A green one.
I have no idea where the green thing is.
Green Lego.
I don't know, Holden.
I was saying that.
Yeah, you gotta walk around barefoot to find it.
Especially on that rug.
He's trying so hard to pull himself up. Abby, I love your bathrobe. That looks so soft. Is it soft, soft, soft? Oh, it is. Oh, wow.
Are you videoing?
I have been for 5 minutes.
You cleared up room on your phone.
Huh? I did. I cleared up a bunch. I'm transferring everything to YouTube now.
Yep.
Boy, these Legos are popular.
You can't see.
You can't?
Maybe mine will see.
Okay, well, that's a pretty good. I like that machine you're building.
Wait, it's not. Close your eye.
Close my eyes. What is it?
Tap your phone.
Huh?
Tap your phone.
Turn off my phone?
Yeah.
Okay. See?
No.
Okay, I will. I did.